finals. Grand finals. Top tier dad versus the Avenger.
Av and Ferocity on the mic. So we got grand finals. Top tier dad and the Avenger. The runner-up to grand finals. So they can provide some insight. So yeah, Avenger just approaching, punish some stuff like error. Again. Just walling him out.
Oh wow.
Good stuff.
That coverage.
Yeah, Avenger.
What do you think top tier dad should do?
Shield. Shield and shine out a shield. Shield, shine out a shield, make him with punish. Up tilt him after he lasers, forward smash him after he lasers. He's gonna approach. There's little doubt about it, but most of it, no doubt about it.
I'm not sure if top tier dad has shines out of shield down consistently. So if he does, I mean if he does. Oh, he's just not remembering it at this point. But
Falco should not be pressuring Fox like successfully like Avenger just did. Take that stock right there.
Still.
Nice. The stage control just keeping it. Doesn't cover that though. No, I like that, but he could have angled it, hit a sweet spot, but maybe that would have gotten punished too. That's why this map favors Falco.
Didn't top tier dad take it over the Avenger in winners finals? Or it was like one of the winner rounds.
Yeah.
Right, Bobby?
Yeah, that's why Avengers and losers. So we can do it. It's just that, you know, for the millionth time, I gotta keep telling top tier dad that this map favors Falco.
What do you think the counter
Because
pick's gonna
look
be?
how free that edge guard is. You can't tell me that
gonna be.
Battlefield favors Falco. Stop. Every time this guy starts a set, he asks his opponent, "You want to just go Battlefield?" He shouldn't do that, especially in the Falco matchup. Falco wins on Battlefield. Anyway, so yeah, I mean,
This is a Fox map.
It's a Fox map, but you know, no top platform, which favors Fox because when it comes to aerial positioning, Falco is always going to be the best at it. But it's kind of similar edge guards. I mean, Fox can ride up the wall a little bit, but not too much. So,
how effective do you think up smash out of shield would be against the Avenger?
it's not going to kill until about 120.
Well, no, it's not optimal, sure, but do you think it could catch him off guard? I mean, you just saw him do it.
Sure, yeah. I mean, this guy needs to out of shield a lot of stuff.
Top tier dad.
I think he could have just went down there and shined. He needs to do that more for sure, but especially against Falco. That should be bread and butter.
It's even. It's even. I don't know.
Sure. So let's see what happens here. So
I do
there
not
we go.
like that transformation. I do not like that transformation.
I think
I'm always so compelled to it.
I do think it favors Falco simply because of this high platform. That's the only reason. You know, 2 of them favor Falco, 2 of them favor Fox. Obviously, the ones with the walls favor Fox, in my opinion. But
he's got a. Oh man, Fox. That was great choice. How you just one Alright, so
yeah.
Top tier dad is
not
up.
falling for that dash dance.
I guess not.
Simple stuff. Some full hops right there as
he was doing it to get out of the laser pressure.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. He should be doing that more. he seems to be rolling a lot, and it's not gonna work out a lot. I know he did that a
was
bunch
great.
against me and Friendly's top tier dad did that a bunch.
Have you noticed he's been baiting out? He's been jumping on the edge of the platform and then jumping back off.
When I talk, I get into what I say. And so,
Well, I first noticed when he did the when he just jumped up and was shielded, and that's kind of like what you were saying, how he needs to.
these
be
back airs are
shield
extremely
options.
weak. I don't know why he's back airing right here. Really didn't give him much. He got him percent.
Like he just needs to
Unpunished
rack up a
percent.
little more percent, and you can just up smash him. Just grab him. Oh, out of there.
Stop with his back.
Yeah. Oh no, it's so. Oh, get out of there.
Yeah. Oh. Swag.
Yeah.
That just looks swag.
Yeah. Top tier dad knows he's smiling. He knows that if he drops this too, it's it won't be good. Won't be good for him.
Throw the back air, and
It
it's
is.
not gonna be
Not
it.
gonna be it. Ooh, that's it. No, this guy's DI.
That was not good. Yeah, it's just Falco.
Falco? Yeah. I mean, yeah.
So we got 1-1 here.
That's where you come in.
Good
and
stuff. I mean, I don't know. I feel like if Avenger would have double laser.
What's the counter of it? What's the counter of it?
I don't know.
You do know.
Who is it? Falco? Shouldn't be Yoshi's.
Shouldn't be Yoshi?
Should not. It could be Dreamland. It should be. It should be Dreamland.
Eh, Dreamland would be interesting.
Should definitely- should be
guess
Dreamland.
Dreamland would be.
There
Yeah.
we go. Okay. Maybe he heard me. I don't know. He could. Doors open. Yeah. So again, top platform favors Falco. There's a wall which makes it a little harder for Falco to edge guard Fox. He can ride it. But we'll see how it goes. Should be free. That's free. It's free. Yeah, you need to,
The
you need
Avenger's
to know.
just not respecting his Fox's space, but I mean, I guess he doesn't have to. Too much. I mean, and he's dare, laser.
He's got to convert on these punishes a little bit more, for sure.
I always overestimate that recovery. I'm just like a fox. Come on.
I mean, Spore, I do think this is a bit more of a neutral stage for them. You know, again, it's not as good as Battlefield for Falco because Falco
That's a
doesn't.
stock, and suddenly
The edge
top tier
guards,
dad is. Oof.
the edge guards aren't as free
Top
for
tier dad's
Falco,
an advantage.
but he still has the platform and can win more neutrals in that case. And if you're winning more neutrals, you ultimately should be winning. Nice tech. Nice, keeping center
yeah,
stage.
yeah.
Nice keeping center stage.
Yeah. I mean, he tried, that was like the third time he double jumped, right? Consecutively? To avoid, so he kind of knew. Wow. And, fuck Falco. I hate Falco's better. Oh my god.
It's great.
I think it
Anyway,
just pains me. But I mean,
okay, so
I guess you could say the same about
He-
Peach's
he-
down smash.
right there, he doesn't respect top tier dad's space.
no.
The Avenger doesn't respect any
But
space.
he doesn't.
That's gonna be at center stage again. Nice. Nice laser. Oh, that could have been. That was a bit
Wasn't
risky. I don't know. He could have been a little. I felt like that was too late, but apparently it wasn't. Maybe it was bad DI. I do feel like SDI could have saved him though. But anyway, so he's keeping center stage, but he gets past him. Nice. Nice full hops over his lasers. That's definitely what you gotta do. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice with punish.
He's gotta just get those. He's gotta get those. If you convert on those, then I'll just be
Alright.
off road. towards him. Okay. Oh.
That was good DI though. I mean, kind of. He probably
but-
DI'd straight to the way he went, but he did it down. That wasn't good DI. That wasn't good DI. Never mind. He could have teched it. It would have been good DI. Good stage.
That should be a
Nice,
edge
using the
guard.
platform
No.
to just get back positioning, but he doesn't follow the edge
I
guard
should have
up.
just held his up tilts. Or held his up tilts, just waited it out, just ran back.
Yeah, definitely top tier dads really needs to work on his edge guards.
Yep.
Sure. For sure. So here we go. I don't want to stop commentating. I'm down for a reset. But if anything, we at least have 2 more games to commentate. Or that's if top tier dad brings this back.
Hey, top tier dad could do it.
For sure, he's winners. He just beat him. Do it again. Same night.
He did it.
Nothing has changed. I should have been in grand finals, but
Calm down.
I dropped it. Anyway,
How does top tier dad keeps getting hit with these shines? And these percents,
I
this is
mean,
not the time you.
it's
you wanna do
definitely,
this,
you know, when it comes with the fact that
Well,
the Avengers both rolling, spot dodging, and approaching with his lasers, I think the easiest thing to counter this is to just with punish, you know, wait for him to do these things and then hit him, because he's not gonna beat him contesting it because he's gonna be invincible.
I like the back A. I like the back A. And you could have L canceled and a lot more grab shine at him.
Horrible shield grab. What are you doing? Nice angle.
Yeah. I doubted it for a second. I doubted that angle.
I don't like that back air.
Okay, he's starting to bait out Avenger's approaches. I don't know if I should be streaming.
Should have been free, but yeah, no.
Oh.
TNT. What are you gonna do? Should have been free, but it's TNT. What are you gonna do?
I love that. I love that.
All right, so again, you know, Falco on top platforms. Let's see how top tier dad, you know, the stage should be free. Could have shined.
Hey, he could do it. He could still.
Backed up. Could have shined twice, both on the up B and on the side B. After their hitbox, could have shined.
Let's go up tilt.
All right. No, it's not what you want to do to keep stage positioning. Yeah, I mean, I guess that was free.
I don't know. I mean, I know it's dead even, but what do you think of the counter pick? Do you think German was
I
think it was a good counter pick.
You know, there's only so much Falco can do. If more, the stage is, I think more of a favorite Fox, but I don't know. I mean, it's the right choice. But anyway, the chain grab, hey, buddy.
Oh, the up tilt. It was up tilt. It was up tilt. Plus him on. He can make it. No. Ooh, he did it. Was there any angle that could have saved that?
Yeah, I mean, he could have went a little bit upward and then not fast fell, probably. He could have done the straight up, but hardly diagonal, and then not fast fall straight into the edge. I don't know, maybe he could have fast fell, but anyway, so it's reset. We're back on Battlefield. Why are we on Battlefield? It's reset and we're on Battlefield. I'm sorry.
If you don't comfortable, it's comfortable here.
If you don't want my word on this stage being in Falco's favor, take it from Mango and Left. They have both said it.
He's comfortable here. He knows that he's, you know, this is an important match.
I mean, yeah, but you know, you can't. You shouldn't be cheesing your way out of a win. That's not how you're ultimately going to get better. Dropped edge guards. It's TNT. What are you going to do?
You know, that DI is tricky, but
He
I don't
could not
think-
survive that for sure. He was too high up and too high percent even for side DI, away DI to work.
you think so?
Yeah. 149, I think. Nice attack, but he probably didn't mean it.
Falco's. There's something about Falco's up there that's so DI-able though.
Yeah, it really is.
Like, you SDI a little bit to the side, and you DI, and then suddenly you're alive. You do like a whole circle around the map.
I don't know. I hope Top Tier Dad looks at this, says, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't always be on autopilot and say, hey, let's go to battlefield against Falcos. No, there's really.
Hey, he's keeping it. He's got the stock advantage.
These edge guards are horrible.
Listen,
I think both of them are. I mean, I've always known Top Tier Dad to have pretty lackluster edge guards, and now it seems like a lackluster edge guard set. But you know, it's TNT boys. What are you gonna
he's
do?
up the matches. Will you stop saying that?
I mean, it's so easy. You could just wait there for them to be in the
Okay.
back air like I always do. It's
I'm
easy.
sorry. Were you in grand finals? Are you in grand finals right now?
It's not because I had edge guard
Is that
worse
your
than these
Falco?
guys.
Okay.
Can't be jumping. Can't be jumping.
Can't be
Jumping
letting him
is
run like that.
punishable. I don't know if many people know that.
Oh no. You know, it's just laugh it off. Come on, we'll take it.
Again, you gotta go out there.
He's just getting damaged. He said if I can get enough damage.
Oh.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
that's good. I mean, it was a good option. It was a good option. I mean, he was he was dead the other way. He was dead the other
I
way.
mean, this guy goes on battlefield against
If he just
Fox
stalled it out a little
Falco.
bit.
I don't understand why this guy goes battlefield by Fox Falco, game 1. But anyway,
Close the door. Oh.
Alright.
Avenger.
that DI blame me was probably just a mix-up, so I can't say that DI.
Avenger could have taken it. He's feeling himself. He could have taken it.
It's okay, boys. We TNT.
Good time.
Kind of hard to do it on Pokemon. At least Falco has that
Ooh.
specific edge guard. This guy definitely
Avenger
spot
said-
dodges a lot and rolls a lot.
I was in the choke for a while.
Nice. At least Avenger has good stage positioning when it comes to pressing your opponent for him to get back
Yeah.
center stage.
Yeah, he does.
I think he has decent amount, and as I say that, actually, well, no, it was a mix-up. We'll let him select that time.
What are you doing? He's reaching. That could have been better. Maybe a little bit.
This is the back
Look
air.
at that, it gets the stock phosphor out. If anything.
Nice movement. Keep himself unpredictable. Top tier dad, that is.
Why isn't he just running and just lasering him? Did he forget he has a laser? I think that Fox forgot he has a laser. Instead of just... I don't know.
Weird stuff.
smash.
Why you
Third one. Interesting there. I'll take it.
Okay, so right now you see right as Falco is lasering.
Ooh, you see that? You see that? That back air to
Yeah.
punish the approach?
Be doing that. Why you doing that? Play more optimal. Stop trying to make stupid reads. That's
Yeah, get out of there.
I wouldn't get out of there.
I would get out of there.
Favors Fox.
I would get out of there.
If you get him once, you definitely. Then again, he does
Who
have
has
the
the
damage. He
momentum?
has the damage he already needs. There we go.
Wow, yeah.
What a
Just
hype
take
grand finals.
Confirm.
What a hype grand finals this is. Who did that? Avenger?
Yep. Avengers did
Why would a Fox? I mean, a Falco. Why would a Falco counterpick Yoshi?
it. Why don't you like it? Why don't you like it for Falco?
I don't know. You know how they're playing is up to them because this is
Oh,
TNT.
go
But
on.
this is TNT, but it's not. It's so easy to get around lasers. It's extremely easy to get around lasers. It's extremely easy to stop Falco's platform. It's so low. The top platform is so low.
You're making me wish I'd went Yoshi's on you. You know, that's...
I mean, yeah, you do have the platform, but I mean, you're still Peach. You still can't. You still can't.
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Unless
You're
you
gonna
predict
name
it. You don't know how to predict. Anyway. See.
What do you mean I don't know how to predict?
Shh. Talk about it in the car. Stuff.
If someone's in their shield and they just wave dash forward, you're like a lost dog. You're like, where did they go?
Oh, okay. Anyway, you need to provide good commentary. Anyway, so I guess you know it was a good counter pick for Avenger. There it, yeah, go. Was that an edge guard?
That was a straight,
With a shine.
That was a straight read. That was the Avenger not respecting is just like that space right there. He just jumped. He's just like, okay, as soon as I can get the opportunity,
Okay,
I'm
this
up
guy
there.
is down airing way too
I'm
much.
back at him.
This Avenger's down airing way too much. I would just punish, dash dance, grab. Easy, obviously. He's gonna do it.
Well. Oh.
I had to wet my lips for that one. Obviously. He hit a Shy Guy. His double lasers hit a Shy Guy. They're there. They're coming
so
now.
even.
Stop letting him get these down airs. Shine out of shield.
Partial?
Just wait.
Ooh,
I mean,
partial?
just
The
dash
momentum
back.
shifter?
Okay, it's... Oh, why you go on the
The
other side of the
attack
stage?
for some reason? Off the dash attack?
Yeah, he's
Let's
probably...
go.
Usually they mean the L cancel when they get the tech because they're getting down. They probably
Go.
try to shine.
Ooh, that was a good tech though.
He probably didn't mean to. I don't know. I didn't know.
Why are you? Oh no. I mean,
Oh my god.
What are you doing? What are you doing up there, Avenger? I'll take it though.
No.
Scoop it up. We'll just
No. Alright, so it's
tap two. That's counter pick.
pick.
Tap two. That's counter pick. You can take it.
Yeah. Just be a little bit optimal here, you know, let's understand what he was doing wrong. Keep him in a nice stage position, there you go. Okay. Easy, look at that.
Oh,
You see how he whiff punished?
Look at
that
he's
down
doing the
air?
same thing.
Uh-oh. No! No! Don't you play horror all the time? How do you not know he's gonna gimp you like that?
Relax.
The back throw
Relax.
into
We're
the
back in it.
F-tilt.
He's just an up smash away.
Don't give him any ideas. Yeah, 'cause you can even grab. If you can grab it, it's not good. If you can grab it down air. I don't know what he could have done, but yeah, is he gonna down air or down air?
True.
Down. Oh, okay.
I don't see him using that many up tilts. How is up tilts in against Fox in this match?
Probably key, considering that
Key?
Fox
You think
can
it's that
definitely
important?
use the platforms to maneuver his way around your lasers. And predicting his aerial movement to come down, even the Fox's aerial movement with the up tilt definitely would get comboed on. Try to read his jumping movement. Nice. No!
Wow.
Ah!
Relax. What's wrong? Oh my god.
Go up! Go up! How many frames do you need to react to something?
Looking like Avengers.
Come on. Yes! TTD. 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 Uh-oh. Can't be doing this. Means one grab. I don't know what much more. Okay.
Oh, that was a good attempt.
Yeah, that was definitely a good idea. Uh-oh, let's see what happens. Okay, nice.
No, we got caught in the
Oh
another
no!
platform.
He could have went down and down aired again. Okay.
Ooh, that
Okay.
Shine. The necessary shine.
I would have stayed behind those shite.
Okay,
I don't
no.
want to talk. I want to talk. There you go.
He's just punished.
Okay.
Just take it. Just
Why back
capitalize
air?
it.
Why
That's
was
it.
your back air?
Capitalize it.
You can combo with up air.
Yeah, dude, I just lost his footing. He gets, oh, that was an up smash.
That was not
a
up.
fake.
That's not up smash.
It was
no,
it was
not
a
an
bait
up
out.
smash.
It was a bait
That
out
was
up
an
air. It was a bait out up air.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That
he
back air.
suddenly lost center stage. He's lost. Ah! How is he gonna get in? How is he gonna get in?
I want a
He's not-
game
he's not gonna
5
get in.
though. He could have went down, but he's this edge guard.
That's it. That's it. That's
No.
it. That's it. That's it. That's it. The Randall. That's it.
Ow.
Stop your dads.
Woo!
All right, we're having a last match.
Game
Let's go.
5.
What's the map?
Guys,
What's the map? What do you think of the map
guys,
is? Call it.
Who's kind
Call
of
it.
like Falco's?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I guess. I mean, you could do FOB
gotta go back to
too,
Yoshi.
but you know. He already wanted Yoshi's though. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so it was nice using the platform again, top tier dad, to get around his stage positioning. Falco's stage positioning. All right.
Okay, so it starts off. Top tier dad's up the stock disadvantage, so
He needs to just with punish, you know, some full hops right here.
Does it?
Optimal. So with punish, oh, right idea, right idea. Okay.
he's remembering that he can shine. He's remembering that he can shine.
Yeah, it's a great idea. Don't go into
Oh
him.
no.
Don't go into him.
Uh-oh.
No.
The dash attack.
No, keep stage positioning. There.
Reminds me of my Peach.
I mean, reminds me of every peach. What else do you have? Anyway. You gotta roll as much as this guy, because he doesn't know how to punish a roll. Avenger does not know how to punish a roll. I guess. Can't be doing that too
I don't
much.
like these. I don't like these side beats on the stage.
Ah.
I don't like them.
Let's go. Alright, so, yeah, it's punishable, actually, believe it or not.
Look at that. Let me just go for a side beat on stage.
That was,
No Fox.
alright, he needs this. He needs it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
He can do it. He can.
And so,
Avengers just ground lasering. I don't see why
nice
it's not
full hop,
possible.
but he didn't
Oh
catch him,
no!
and I would've went down. Yeah, I would've went down. Come on, why are you gonna down it? He could've went down.
He could have went down. He's a stock. He's a
Avenger
stock.
could've went down, that is. And, yep.
Yeah, the side B on platform. I mean, on stage.
So all in all,